Alright, these are going to be South Wing elevators here at Disneytown, Kidani Village, Kidani Village, here at Walt Disney World in Lake Wales, Florida. And we have some more Otis elevators with Series 5. The ones that were at the Jamba House at Series 4. And these are very fast for 5 floors. But that must be replaced. Here we go to 5. Yeah, music playing in here.
5th floor.
These things are rockets. These go at least 350 feet per minute for 5 floors.
Going down.
Back down to 1. Door close does not work. These are very nice elevators. Definitely well appropriate for the resort. Yeah, I like how they play music in here as well.
1st floor.
Here we're back at 1. These are your buttons, Series 5, ticket, and your phone.
Going up.
We'll take it back up to 5 to get a view. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. This is elevator L3. And here we go back to 5.
Fifth floor.
And here we're back at 5. Send this car down to 1 and try to get the other one. While we're up here, we'll get a view from this window. Unfortunately, no animals. Don't see any animals at the moment. Here's your view from this window. You have to kneel down for it. Come over here. Somebody over there. Here's your view out this window. Not the most exciting view. These are your steps. I guess just for heck, we'll get a look at the guest floor. Oh, hello.
Hi, how are you?
Doing good. Sorry, I pointed the camera down. Didn't want to get that lady in the photo. We'll just walk down here to where the exit sign is and go back down the elevator. Might be another view out here at the end of the, or midway through this hallway. It looks like there is. Still no animal sightings, unfortunately. Alright, let's go back down the elevator now in the video. Again, pointing the camera down so I won't get that lady in the photo. You have a good one. Thank you. Alright. Let's try and get the right elevator. If not, oh well. Not sure how smart these Otis controllers are. Otis controllers are definitely very questionable, if you know what I mean. This button seems kind of worn out. And we got the left car. Let's try to get the right elevator. So this car in the lobby or the first floor. Actually, the lobby's on the 2nd floor, my bad. There goes the elevator. We'll try and get the right car. While we wait, we'll get one more view out this window. Hopefully find some animals. Still no animal sightings. That sounds wonderful. I mean, literally hear these going up and down from like right here. Just proves you how fast these things are. Here we got the left car. Guess we'll take this one back down and end the video. Might be somebody in it.
Going down.
Back on the 1. Again, door close does not work.
First floor.
And here we're back at 1. Alright. Somebody's going up, we'll let them go. Are you going up?
Yeah, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Try to get the right cars in. These ladies are going upstairs. Just the right car is working, so we'll try and ride the right elevator. We'll do a round trip on this car.
Going up.
What, the 5? The door close does not work on any of these elevators.
Fifth floor.
Here we're back at 5.
Going down.
Now we will officially end on the first floor. We'll get a caveat of this car going down. It's just like the other one, very nice elevators. Definitely well appropriate for the hotel-slash resorts. Here's your button, Series 5.
First floor.
Certificate and your phone. And there's your floor interior. This is elevator
Going
L4
up.
with a capacity of 3,500 pounds, just like the other elevator. Like I said, those were the South Wing elevators at Kidani Village, or however you say it. And that's it.